Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is April the 7th. We are out here in the heart of Atlanta. So we have two projects today like we did yesterday. First project, this is Mrs. Tony. She found me online. She did pay for an in-home consultation. I came out here about 2 weeks ago. She's in this beautiful condo apartment, not condo unit, this beautiful condo unit. And what we're going to be doing here today, guys, is some marble countertops and also her floors. Okay, her floors are not too bad, but you can see some micro scratches. She does have a boxer, a dog, and we're going to be doing the UV curing today. She wants a matte finish. Yesterday my client Mike wanted gloss, so we put a gloss on his floor, and it was nighttime when we was done, but today with the sun being out, he should really be seeing a high reflection on those floors, because when you that's all the sheen level, guys, is just a reflection. So anyway, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, and what I'm going to do too, I'm going to tie my other job into this job right here. Our next job is that luxury apartment unit that hired me like a year ago. They love my work so much, they actually have me coming back doing another unit today. This will be my 14th unit I've done for them. So anytime they have move in and move outs, they give me a call to restore the wood floors. I've had a few that I've done for them, guys. I'm like, listen, do not expect a good job on these floors because they really need to be replaced. But like, Courtney, just do the best you can. So these are the marble countertops we're doing. I'm going to have Tavares go ahead and start taping off. So we're going to be doing these. We're going to hone them down. You can see a lot of etching on these marble countertops. So we got this one right here. Also, see all this, guys? See all that? On this? Yeah, I want to do 180s on this. This right here, see all this right here, and so this countertop right here. So we're gonna hone it, buff it, polish it, and seal it. Okay, and then these are the wood floors. These are some white oak floors, and again, the floors aren't too bad, but you do see the finish starting to take wear, and you see a lot of micro scratches, but nothing major. So these are the type of clients that want to keep the floors maintained. I do see some type of lines here. Now that's one thing. I think this is when the floor was done, when they those are like either T-bar marks. Because one thing about white oak, guys, the pigment of white oak can really leave. I don't know. I'm going to ask her about that. But I'm glad that I got this on video. I don't know if it's going to come out with the screening. But you can see they moved the furniture. Oh, also, too, they got all the furniture moved out. And then when we're done with the UV, they'll be able to move the furniture back in today. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And then once we get the coating down here, we are going to shoot over to Lennox, and also we're going to do this foyer as well. We're going to shoot down to Lennox and knock one of those units out. Had some good leads already come in this morning. We take up some of that weight off to you. Take all of it off. And this is where we are today, working in these units. So she told me I can actually stay here because she said one of her neighbors are not home, this neighbor. So, all right, guys, go ahead and get started.
Midtown ATL. We back at it. Truman. Woo. One day, magic, yeah, we slide right through. Woo. Floors look brand new. Woo. Countertops too. Wow, wow, wow. Look what we do. UV hit, now it's ready by 2. One day, magic, no dust, no stress. White oak shining, marble look blessed. Came from the mud, now we handle the best. Truman on site, yeah, you know it's success. Yeah. Pulled up clean in the heart of the city. Midtown view, yeah, the work getting pretty. White oak floors had a wear and tear. Light screen Recoat, now they stop and stare. Marble countertops, door to a lie. Polish, bring it back, now it glowing with pride. Every move calculated, every step precise. On our own site, yeah, I do it right. They thought it was over, we brought it back live. Yeah, no sin and no mess, just results. Now the whole place bright. One day, magic, yeah, we slide right through. Yeah. Floors look brand new. Woo. Countertops too. Wow, 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 wow. Look what we do. UV hit, now it's ready by 2. One day magic, no dust, no stress. White oak shining, marble look blessed. Came from the mud, now we handle the best. Truman on site, yeah, you know it's success. UV current, instant set, walk right back, ain't no wait. Kids, pets, furniture too, same day finish, that's what we do. Marble hit with that polish glow, stone come back like it's brand new stone. Floors got that satin weight, clean reflection every angle you face, yeah. From one to wow in a single day, that's the difference. That's the Truman way. One day magic, yeah, we slide right through. Floors look brand new. Countertops too. Wow, 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 wow. Look what we do. UV hit, now it's ready by 2. One day magic, no dust, no stress. Yeah. White oak shining, marble look blessed. Came from the mud, now we handle the best. Truman on site, yeah, you know it's success. Midtown ATL. We don't just clean it, we bring it back to life.
Guys, this is the benefit of the UV. She come on up. What's her name again? What's her name again? Riley. Oh, she going upstairs. Riley is a boxer and she just walked on the floors. And that's the huge benefit, guys, of the UV. You don't have to wait 4 to 5 days to put the furniture back on the floor. Furniture goes back same day. As soon as this light hits that finish, it's instantly cure. I'm walking at a certain speed, as you can see. That speed meter on the machine letting me know how fast I'm walking. Make sure we get a good cure. Bake that finish into the floor. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Today was a long day. Had a few issues with this floor, not too bad. I mean, it was just like something was coming out of the wood just up in here in this kitchen area. So we had to kind of hand screen it back down, feather a few more coats back on top. But that was taken care of. Also, thank you to Stephanie, the manager over at Cortland's, having me come back to do another unit today. And tomorrow we're going to be all back on our side. We have a consultation tomorrow for a church, wood floors in Lawrenceville, another wood floor consultation in Snellville, and then we have a job in Lawrenceville. And then Thursday we have a job in Snellville, and we'll be back in the city on Friday. We actually have 2 appointments Friday. Both are screen and recoats with the UV cure on Friday. And then we have a daycare wood floor to do on Saturday in Athens. So this turned out to be a long, busy week. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. As you can see, the furniture is going back. See you in the next one.